Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me here today, Jolene and Peter. I really appreciate it. So I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your experience.
Sure.
Why did you go solar?
I had previous experience in the 80s in Idaho with trying to heat a cinder block basement. And we decided that a solar panel on our home at that time with passive energy, so the heat would come down from the solar panel and then rise through the rest of the house passively. And that way we could heat the little basement that we had dug out. And now we live in East Texas where there is abundant sunshine, and probably everybody's experiencing the high cost of electricity and utilities. And I had been working with your salesperson several years, probably, talking about when to do it, what was the time, what was the package. And we had cut down a really bad tree in our yard that was actually shading a little bit of our house. And after we did that, Peter and I had talked, and your salesman called again, and I'm like, yep, we're doing it. That's the timing was right. So
That's amazing. And how's your experience been so far?
Oh, it's been wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. From the day they came and delivered all of the stuff to having the crew come. They were literally like ants on our roof. They carried stuff up and down the ladders. 2 or 3 young men, did all of that heavy work. And the manager, I can't remember what his name was. I wish I could, but the team foreman or whatever you call him, he was wonderful. Explained everything. Our electric panel is in my closet in my bedroom, so we had to kind of work that out. Can you just come in? Do you want me to knock?
Right.
How many people can we have in your house? So kind of the rules, but yeah, it was absolutely wonderful.
That's amazing. I'm so happy to hear that. Now,
Yes,
would you
ma'am.
recommend anyone to go with Green Home Systems?
Would I recommend it?
Yeah.
Oh yes, definitely.
Perfect.
Definitely. And we have, one of my friends actually talked with your salesman. She opted not, she's a new widow and was trying to kind of feel, where her money would be best spent or what could be done to her home now that she's by herself. And maybe that'll still come. So
Yeah. Okay, perfect. We'll see. We'll
yeah.
see. All right. Well, I thank you so much for your time. And I think you did an amazing testimonial today.
Yes, ma'am. My pleasure.